Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to easily factory reset your Ring doorbell without using the app. This method works for the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus and most other Ring doorbell models. First, you'll need a T15 screwdriver or the official Ring screwdriver to access the doorbell's inner components. You can find T15 screwdriver bits at most hardware stores. Next, look for the screw at the bottom of the doorbell. Unscrew it using your T15 bit or the Ring screwdriver, then slide the cover off the front of the doorbell to access the inside. Now locate the orange button inside the doorbell. Hold this button down for 15 seconds. If you have a battery-powered model, make sure the battery is inserted and charged. For wired doorbells, the process is exactly the same. Just ensure the power is on while you reset. Keeping it powered, whether battery or wired, is essential for a successful reset. Step 4. Wait for the reset process. Once you've held the button for about 15 seconds, release it and watch for the light on the doorbell to start flashing. This indicates the reset is in progress and will take around a minute. Now, we'll listen for the doorbell chime. This sound indicates that the reset process is complete and the device has returned to its original factory settings. And that's it. Your Ring doorbell is now factory reset and ready for a fresh setup. You can add it to a new account or reconnect it to your old one. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.